Has your battery died in your key fob? Well, today we're going to show you how to remove the battery. What's going on, guys? Matt here, Lethal Garage, and today we're going to take your 6th gen Camaro key fob and replace the battery. So you guys may be asking, well, when do I need to replace my battery? How long should it last? Well, I've had my car since 2016. It's now 2020. It's almost lasted 4 years. And I finally got to the point where the key had to be sitting in the cup holder for the car to start. Even still with the battery swap, it's still being a little wonky. I think it has a little bit to do with how I've pulled apart my car a few times, and that sensor, it may have got knocked out of place. But let's go over how to get to the battery in your key. It's actually pretty simple. So there's a side button on your key, as you may have seen. You depress that and that pulls out. This is actually your secondary key. So if your key fob doesn't work on you and you need to unlock your car, there's the keyhole underneath the ledge of your door handle that this will slide into, and you can open your car. Now, to get to the battery inside of this thing, basically you can see there's a seam along the whole edge of this key, and we just have to pry it apart. Now, in this instance, I'm gonna use, where'd it go? I had it sitting here, I promise. So get it started. The best tool for this is a letter opener, to be honest. If you have access to a letter opener, you can get it right open. There you go. Pulls apart. Now, if you apply too much pressure, you could depress the plastic edge, so that's why a letter opener comes in really handy. But your battery is actually in the top section here, and it just pops in just like any other watch battery, or out. And you can see that just comes right on out. Now, let me get the battery out of this one. So, new battery. Again, just pops right in there, good to go. And then you can take your key and it just snaps back together. Slide that back in. It works. And there you have it. That's how you replace a battery in your key fob. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, post them down below. Thanks for checking out the content. But until next time, see you on the road.